Hey, what is up guys, Tayo here, and in this video I'll be doing a gaming review or a gaming test on the Umidigi A3s smartphone that I reviewed a while ago. I promised to do a gaming review. Can we replay it? Likes. So if you want me to make a gaming test on this smartphone, just hit me up at the comment section and I'll start working on it ASAP. So yeah, this video will be basically a gaming review on that smartphone. So I'll be playing Among Us, beach buggy racing, Regent Turner 2, and flight simulator is called Flight Pilot. So I'm not a really I don't really play shooting games because I don't really enjoy it on mobile, but I do enjoy it on PC. That's if my PC can run it. Anyways, that's the game you're going to be getting today. So if you're interested, sit back and relax. By the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome. We're on the road to 200 subscribers, and a sub from you will be really cool. And if you don't know, I make tech related content on this channel. Today's video is just for you to relax and enjoy yourself. So with that being said, let's get right into the gaming. The first game I'm going to play is beach buggy race. The second game I'm going to play is Regent Turner 2. The third game I'm going to play is flight pilot. The final game I'm going to play is Among Us. That's all for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, click on that subscribe button. And for those who don't know, school have resumed in Kwara State, so you'll be getting videos towards the end of the week, maybe like Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So yeah, I'll be uploading like once in a week as I do, but it will be during the weekends because I can't be uploading while I'm in school. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.